Hello everyone, I'm Angel, and today I want to go over a couple exercises from the Java programming textbook. So we're going to start off with chapter 1 and go over to page 46. But before we do that, I want to show you guys how to make your first program say hello world, which is a tradition in most programming languages. So first thing, we do save as and name it something like my first program. Since this might be your first one, make sure it says .java at the end and hit save. After that, you declare your class. So make sure it says public class and then whatever you named it. So in this case it would be my first program in the same case sensitivity, since it is case sensitive. So create a shell, make sure you got your curly brackets, and we have a main method. And I do want to show you a couple tips. So if you're a Mac user using TextMate, there's a couple shortcuts like PU tab fills in public, but my favorite is main tab, and it fills in the main method for you, which is very useful. So here we're gonna have it print hello world. So we're gonna use another one of those shortcuts, PL tab. It does your system.out.println, which allows you to display a message. So here we're gonna have hello world, and we can compile and run with command R, and it displays hello world. Now you can have fun with this. You can have this display your name, a joke, but just have fun with it. This is what you got to do when you're getting started. It's pretty simple. Just have fun. And there's page 46, number 8. There's a cool little exercise for kind of displaying an image of some tables and chairs. So by doing that, you can just you're gonna have to use some of these print lines, and you're gonna need 6 of them. There, we got 6, and let's go ahead and add the quotations. And remember, only what's inside the quotations is displayed. So in this, we're going to use some X's. We're just going to copy the image here, just kind of eyeball it, and do that. And I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, so I have now completed my tables and chairs. And let's go ahead and compile and run. And there we go. And you can go ahead and try the pyramid one on your own, which is number 9. But another thing I wanna touch in this video is another way to show a message, a more fancy way. It's called a JOptionPane. So to do that, you can import the JOptionPane package by typing out import javax.swing.JOptionPane semicolon. And make sure it's in the same case, because it is case sensitive. Now once you have that, down here you can do JOption pane dot show message dialog. Here we're going to type in null, and just like our print line, we have double quotes, and only what is typed in these quotes is displayed. So here we can also do hello world, and it'll display it. Now this is called a graphic user interface, or a GUI for short, and it's shown in this pretty little window. Doesn't do anything yet, but we'll get there. Now you can have fun with this too. You can have it say your name, whatever you want. Just have fun. And let's say we forgot to add a semicolon here, so we have an error. It says here semicolon expected, and it points to where it thinks it should be. So this is good practice too, just in case you're getting errors. We fixed it, and it runs again. And that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to cover for chapter 1. Just practice doing your classes, memorize your method, and you can do your print lines, your JOptionPanes. But before we go, for Mac users who want to know where they can find the shortcuts I talked about at the beginning, you just go to these 3 little dots down here, Java, and here are all the shortcuts. So here it is for print line, for print, there's the modifiers, public, static. You can do your class, your main method that I was talking about, even other methods that we'll get into in the future. But yeah, I hope this can help you guys, and you guys have a good one.